So it's only just been put on the market since yesterday, so the response has been very positive, and they're getting a lot of positive response from people just contacting the real estate agent, letting them know, how great the house looks. They got the best people on board, the renovators that did this work. They really helped me with obtaining the finance. They worked with me, they didn't just say, oh no, it's too hard. FliPro, I believe, really wants to help people. It's not just another job, it's not just, oh well, a bit more profit here. It's a real genuine care. I think the genuineness of the people that work at FliPro, they really want to help, and they really want to do their best to help people achieve what they want to achieve. Instead of the money being in someone else's pocket, it's going to come back to the person that's selling the house, who owns it, It's been great. I've really enjoyed it, and for someone that doesn't know anything about this sort of thing, it's great to be able to trust, which I found a really important thing too. I really trusted FliPro, I trusted Rob and Jenny, and yeah, I've had no regrets at all.